there, my name's Rebecca, and today I'm doing an unboxing and a review for this electric grout spin brush. This spin brush was gifted to me in exchange for my review. Let's get this box open. I'm very excited about this. I have a lot of things that are like nooks and crannies, and I believe that this is going to get right up into those areas. This is what came in the kit. You have an instruction user manual, USB and C-type charger. It also has different heads that you will be able to attach to the wand itself. Now on this, you can see that I have one that is off here. And what you do is you're just going to stick it right on that. And it does Velcro on there. These heads are going to get into corners and just those little nooks and crannies that you really can't get to with your fingers. It's going to make my job so much easier to clean. I really like this feature that this has. It is very easy to handle, very lightweight. It has a handle that was very, very easy to put that through. On the bottom side, this is where you'll be charging it, and you'll just stick that C-type charger in and then put it into a block and charge it in the wall. And you can see where it lines up to put that in there. And then what you'll do is you'll just turn it, and now it's in the locked position. I'm going to press the button, and then I'm going to get really, really up in there. I love the way that that looks. It's going to make this faucet so shiny and clean. And you can see that it's getting right up into there. And it gets the back area. You can hear it really moving. Oh wow, I had lots of dirt. You can see it just going down there. Must have been all the back. Show you how fast that this head actually goes. So what I did is I filled some water in here. I'm going to turn this on, and then I'm going to do that. And that's really how much. It is waterproof, so you can put it in the water and really get to that. But as you can see, it does oscillate very, very fast. Cleaning that right up. Now let's check to see how it cleaned it. I know you can see the difference. On the left is the more cloudy side. I did not get that. And on the right, you can see that it is more clear. This electric spin brush might be small, but it is very, very mighty. And it will help with my everyday cleaning around the house. All in all, this is a great grout cleaner scrub brush. And I suggest it.